At Faith Baptist, our students work so diligently in the classroom. They work with you at home. We believe it's also very important for them to be able to play freely and have a wonderful play experience. Our fundraiser this year is called Play It Forward. And you know as parents how diligently our students have to work in order to succeed here at Faith Baptist Schools. We expect more in the classroom. And because we expect more, we want our students to also have the best possible play experience for them. The lessons they learn, the experiences socially and emotionally that they develop with friends out here on the playground are something that will always part of who they become as a young person. Over the years, the sun and many, many little hands and feet have worn away at the ropes that connect these tunnels, and our facility staff has not been able to continue maintaining it in a way that's safe. And so we have had to board off these structures and prevent access to them. And because of the age of the equipment, we have not been able to replace some of the slides that face the sun and been worn out over time. We will begin by adding new slides, by adding more swing sets, rock climbing walls, rope climbing structures, musical instruments, and many other wonderful ways for children to create memories and have a great play experience on our playground. When I was a little boy, I attended Faith Baptist schools, and our school basketball teams played on an outdoor court. Oh, what a mess that was, as they had to deal with acorns and leaves and all sorts of things that the elements provided in the middle of a basketball game. So we started working as a school community and school family on selling chocolate bars and raising funds to build our gymnasium for our students. We're so thankful for the gymnasium that we have and the many wonderful memories that have been made there. But after more than 40 years, it is ready for a new interior remodel. And we are hoping to do that in an extraordinary way. A new paint scheme, a new giant monitor on the wall, and new design elements to make our gymnasium a fantastic place for the next generation of contender athletes. So I'm asking for your help because we need your help. Will you join me in making a contribution to Play It Forward so that our students can have the best learning experience possible, both inside and outside the classroom?